Welcome to Chapter 3, Computational Spintronics. In this chapter, we'll master the numerical methods essential for modern spintronics research. From micromagnetic simulations treating magnetization as a continuum field, to atomistic spin dynamics capturing individual atomic moments, to first principles DFT calculations providing electronic structure, and machine learning accelerating materials discovery. These tools bridge theory and experiment. Micromagnetics treats magnetization as a continuous vector field M of R and T, valid at mesoscale lengths from nanometers to micrometers. The sample is discretized into cells, each containing a local magnetization vector. This approach captures domain walls, vortices, skyamions, and device-scale phenomena. It bridges atomic physics and macroscopic behavior, making it the workhorse of spintronic device simulation. The LLG equation governs magnetization dynamics. The first term describes precession around the effective field with gyromagnetic ratio gamma. The second term is Gilbert damping, causing magnetization to spiral toward the field direction. The damping parameter alpha spans several orders of magnitude, about 1/100th or less in metallic films such as permalloy and cobalt iron boron, and as low as 10 to the -5 in yttrium iron garnet. Solving this equation numerically reveals time-dependent magnetic behavior, including switching and oscillations. The effective field derives from the total magnetic energy via functional derivative. Key contributions include exchange favoring parallel alignment, Zeeman from external field, anisotropy from crystal symmetry, demagnetizing field from magnetic poles, and Dzieloshensky-Amoria interaction, causing chirality. Each term has characteristic length and energy scales. Balancing these determines equilibrium magnetic configurations. A typical simulation starts with an initial magnetic configuration, such as a domain wall. The system evolves according to the LLG equation using numerical integration like Runge-Kutta. The magnetization relaxes toward equilibrium, minimizing total energy. Visualization shows color-coded magnetization, red and blue for up and down, white for in plane. Energy decreases monotonically during relaxation, reaching the minimum energy state. Atomistic spin dynamics models individual atomic magnetic moments, going beyond the continuum approximation. This is essential for nanoscale structures, interfaces, and finite temperature properties where discrete atomic effects matter. The stochastic LLG equation includes a random thermal field representing thermal fluctuations. Each spin follows its own dynamics, coupled to neighbors through exchange. At finite temperature, thermal fluctuations are crucial. The stochastic field is Gaussian white noise with correlation proportional to temperature and damping. Langevin dynamics gives each spin random kicks, causing fluctuations around equilibrium. As temperature increases, disorder grows until the Curie point where long-range order is lost. This approach accurately predicts temperature-dependent magnetization and phase transitions. Density functional theory provides first principles access to magnetic properties. Spin-polarized DFT treats spin-up and spin-down electrons separately, each with its own Kohn-Sham equation and effective potential. The exchange correlation functional captures many body effects. From DFT, we obtain magnetic moments, exchange coupling constants, and with spin-orbit coupling, magnetic anisotropy energy. The spin-polarized density of states reveals electronic structure of magnetic materials. For ferromagnets like iron, majority and minority, spin bands are shifted by exchange splitting. The difference between occupied spin-up and spin-down states gives the magnetic moment, about 2.2 Bohr magnetons per atom for iron. Spin polarization at the Fermi level determines spin transport properties. Magnetic anisotropy energy, the energy difference between hard and easy magnetization directions, originates from spin-orbit coupling. DFT calculations must include relativistic effects to capture this. By computing total energies with magnetization along different crystallographic axes, we extract anisotropy constants. This is computationally demanding, but provides ab initio values without fitting parameters. Machine learning accelerates magnetic materials discovery. Input features include atomic descriptors like atomic number, electronegativity, d-electron count, and lattice parameters. Models like random forests or neural networks learn to predict properties like Curie temperature, saturation magnetization, and anisotropy. Once trained, predictions are nearly instantaneous, enabling high-throughput screening of candidate materials. Active learning optimizes the discovery process. Starting with limited DFT data, train an initial model. Use it to predict across the materials space, selecting candidates with high predicted performance or high uncertainty. Run DFT on these selections, add to the training set, and iterate. This approach finds optimal materials with far fewer calculations than brute force screening, dramatically accelerating discovery. Multi-scale modeling connects different simulation levels. DFT provides exchange constants and magnetic anisotropy at atomic scale. These feed into atomistic simulations, which yield material parameters for micromagnetics: exchange stiffness, anisotropy, saturation magnetization. Micromagnetics then simulates device-scale behavior. This hierarchy ensures that device simulations are grounded in fundamental physics. Converting between scales requires careful unit handling. Exchange constant J in millielectronvolts converts to joules. Atomic moment in Bohr magnetons becomes magnetic moment in joules per Tesla. Exchange stiffness relates to J through lattice constant and spin. Saturation magnetization is moment per unit volume. Mean field theory estimates Curie temperature from exchange. These conversions bridge first principles to device simulation. Several established software packages serve computational spintronics. OOMMF and MUMAX-3 perform micromagnetic simulations, with MUMAX-3 offering graphics processor acceleration. Vampire handles atomistic spin dynamics with temperature. VASP and Quantum Express are workhorses for density functional theory calculations. Python libraries such as ASE and PyMetGen interface with materials databases. PyTorch and TensorFlow enable custom machine learning models. Reliable simulations require careful attention to convergence. Check that results don't change with finer grids, smaller time steps, or larger systems. For DFT, ensure K-point and energy cutoff convergence. For micromagnetics, cell size should be smaller than the exchange length. Always validate against analytical solutions where available, benchmark against established codes, and verify conservation laws. The key equations for computational spintronics: the LLG equation governing magnetization dynamics, exchange energy as the integral of magnetization gradient squared, thermal field correlation for stochastic simulations, exchange stiffness relating to atomic exchange, and mean field Curie temperature estimate. These equations, implemented numerically, enable predictive simulation of spintronic materials and devices. We've covered the computational toolkit for spintronics, micromagnetics for mesoscale device simulation, atomistic spin dynamics for nanoscale and thermal effects, DFT for first principles electronic structure, and machine learning for accelerated discovery. The multi-scale framework connects these levels. With these tools, you can simulate, predict, and design spintronic materials and devices. Next, in Chapter 4, we explore frontier applications.